Hello guys, welcome back. This is KH's for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome again for another very exciting tutorial how to draw 2D clock vector in Illustrator and then animate in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. Go to Illustrator, draw your clock like this, then select all and go to object, click for export multiple asset and then press export. Desktop, select folder. Here is the format PNG exported. Go to After Effects, create a new composition right here, background, right here, clock animation. 10 seconds, press OK. Create a new solid right here, background, press OK. Lock the background and double click. Go to desktop, double click, select all of them. Press import and drop the composition. Press S for scale down the size. Like this. And move to center point. Good. Okay. Select all, close the layers. Let's start from the cover. Here is the cover. And here is the white background. Here is the white background. So boot and take a look. The anchor point must be the center of the object. Then go to second one. Select the first. Press S. Here is the size 13. Stopwatch. Change 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 13. And now press S. There is another 13. Select the scale option, press Ctrl C for copy and paste here. Play now. A little bit. Change frames. This is the easy tricks, easy way to animate your vector. And now time to animate the third vector. But how? Okay, select this one and go to effects and presets. Right here, radial wipe. Select the radial wipe and drop here. Here is stopwatch and go to 2 second 15 frames, change to 0. Play now. Okay. And now time to animate the third detail. Select, move it a little bit down, then right here CC page turn. stopwatch fold position and move it on the clock. Play now. Looking good. Then select another one, press S and paste. Select another one, press S, paste. Another one, press S, paste. And the end, paste this one. Play now. Okay, let's animate the second, minute, and hour. Zoom in. Just take a look. These 3-4 lines as anchor point to center of the circle. Here. So now select this one and press R for the rotation. Stopwatch. Go to 10 seconds. Make 10 times complete the circle. 10 times. So then select another one, turn on. Where is the minute? Here is the minute. Press R, rotation, stopwatch, and go to 10 seconds. Change this one for the 10 minutes. 4. Play now. Okay, and here is the hour. Select this one, press R, turn on the rotation and go to 10 seconds. Play now. Good. Select all, turn on the motion blur and close your layers and render. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create a time or clock animation for your infographics projects. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. See you next time. One thing more, like a bonus. From here, create a new solid by this color. Make here arc. Turn off. Select the ellipse. Turn on again, press T, and then right here, radial wipe, drop this one and set the anchor point here, and then stopwatch, play now. Render again.